Hi, my name is Drew Weisenborn, and I am making this video blog about Rubik's Cubes, specifically the Pyraminx. And this is going to be a how-to video on how to solve the Pyraminx and some different algorithms and strategies to solve this. It's been a while since I've actually solved one of these myself, but I just briefly went over this and kind of refreshed myself on the puzzle. So let's get into it. So the Pyraminx is a Rubik's Cube that is not a cube. It's a pyramid-shaped one with a red side, a blue side, a yellow side, and a green side. It's a little bit, arguably, it's a little bit easier to solve than the normal Rubik's Cube just because there are less sides that you're working with. But it's a little difficult to wrap your brain around. So I'm going to scramble this real quick. Just doing a bunch of random ones, and then I'll explain about the different pieces. I am in no way, shape, or form a good Rubik's Cube solver or one of those people that can do it really fast. I can't do any of that stuff. I think my fastest time that I have solving this is probably about 28 seconds. But that was a while ago when I was actually trying to get good at doing them. So this is pretty well scrambled. And so we have the corner pieces or tip pieces. They can be called either way. They don't play a huge role into solving the overall solving of the Pyraminx. But yeah, the first thing you want to do is you want to get these center pieces like this, and these three want to be the same. You want to make sure each side has these corners the same, and then also these centerpieces the same. So these centerpieces the same. So what I'm going to do is, this is not the red side because this one doesn't have a red piece. So I'm going to go to this side. I'm going to make sure all of these are red. So 1, 2, 3 are red. And now we want to get these two and this one to be red as well. So just turn that around until you get that to be red, and then you'll turn this back over to get that red edge there. And then you'll move this one, the red is up here, so I'm going to turn that this way and turn this back this way to get that red. And these are just basic solving of them. I think now this one's left, so we'll do that one, that will also be red. And that should turn, and that now all sides will have those center pieces the color that they're supposed to be, or at least they should. Yes, they do. So now let's turn this one over to make that yellow. So now we're already a good step of the way. Next part is a little bit more difficult. So if I explain this correctly, take this side for example. We need these to obviously be green, but we need this is the green side, and this is the blue side. We need to get a green with a blue here. So what we're going to do is we're going to look to where we see the green with the blue. Right here, you have a green and a blue right there. So we're going to get this piece to go right in here. So I'm going to just line up the green side here. The green is here. This is the green we need to get up here. The blue and green being here, we're going to turn this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. That brings the green up and the blue there. So now we have this where it needs to be. Now I'm going to turn that over because we want to get that. We have the blue side solved now, and so that takes us to this position, which we're going to actually turn these this way so it kind of has that part. Now these are the hardest ones to do. This is what got me several times when I first tried to learn doing this. But once you kind of get, with a little bit of trial and error, you can get it. Is we're going to go yellow, red, yellow. I'm gonna go red, boop, boop. Red side is done, and now all we have to do is take a turn to the top and get this into its correct position. And there you go. You have solved the Pyraminx right there. I know that wasn't such a great explanation, but some of the specific algorithms I am a little shaky on. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and that'll be all. See ya.